And now let's talk area. So the problem that I want to look at is this one right here, number 32. And this is a crucial calculation in your life when you think about it. What is the better deal for your pizza? Should you get one that's 15 inches? Should you get one that's 10 inches and then get another one that's 10 inches? These are tough decisions. So let's use math to work our way through this. So let's look at the formula. And area is going to equal pi, and that's pi right there. Sorry about that. R squared. Okay. Now what we're given here is diameter for both of these. So our formula has R for radius. So what we need to do is to take this 15 and divide it by 2 to get the radius. So we can just put it in our formula. And that's going to equal 7.5. And then we do the same thing over here. Divide this 10 by 2. And we're going to get 5. All right. Now we're ready to start subbing these numbers into here. And this one's going to go into here also. So we're going to get two areas, and then what our goal here is to subtract the one area from the other to see how much more pizza you actually get. Okay, so let's do that, and we're just going to use the calculator on this one. This is perfect calculator type problem stuff. And let's jump over here. And we're going to calculate our first pizza, which is the 15 inches, which had the 7.5 radius. And we turn on the calculator, and I clear it, and we look for pi. And where is pi here? I should have looked, there we are. Second, and then this funny symbol right here, and there's pi. And then we're going to multiply it times r, in this case is 7.5. And then we're going to need to square it. We don't need to put anything in parentheses because, and this is where we use the funny symbol here, raised to the second power. We don't need parentheses because our order of operations are that it's going to do the squaring first and then multiply by pi. Now hit enter. Okay. Now I'm going to use that nice little trick I showed you in one of, I think the last video I made. Second entry, and I can motor on back here and hit delete twice. And now I'm getting this second pizza right here, getting the area of it. There it is. So I now subtract these two, one from the other. And I'm going to do it, and there's a million different ways to do this. You could have lumped this all into one formula. Or you can take this, subtract this, and subtract that. I guess what I'm going to do, just because I'm kind of lazy and I don't feel like typing this whole number in here, use this trick again, second entry. And if I hit it again, excuse me, second entry, second entry, second entry, it keeps going backwards in time. And now I'm back to the equation that was up here like third time I hit enter ago, if I said that right. So let's subtract this now. Subtract, and pi times r squared, and I hit enter. 98.17477,042, and what the book wants in this case, even though it doesn't say it, is rounded to this 7 right here. So we have 98.17. And that would be the answer to this problem of how much more pizza you get. Notice that for what seems like 15, we got 15 here, and 10, those are our diameters, that we actually get in a large 2 of the small pizzas. So that could help you make your crucial decision depending on how much a 10-inch pizza is and a 15-inch pizza. But that is the subject of another math problem, and you'll have to discover that one on your own. And on that note, I end this video.